How to split subtitle into 2 or more subtitle files. To begin, I opened a subtitle in a video. First, go to Tools and select Split Subtitle. If you want to split the subtitle into more than 2 subtitles, click on Advanced button. Here, set the number of subtitles, and you can set the split to be based on lines, number of characters, or 5 equal times. Now set the output folder and subtitles format and click on Split button. Another option is to split the subtitle into 2 not equal parts. Just go back to Basic View and set the time of the split. I want my first subtitle to be from 0 to 1 minute and the second subtitle to have the rest of the subtitle time. And then click Split. Set the name for Part 1 and Part 2 and click Save. And now my subtitles split into 2 subtitles. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.